It's always interesting to see, to me, what the forecast is for fall and then what actually happens in the store. We're seeing a lot of browns. I put together this brown collection. I think this is just beautiful. I'm going to start with, this is a textured Pontoroma. It's beautiful. It's a cotton poly. I believe it's a cotton poly. Yeah, it's a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. A little bit of stretch in the other direction, but I'm going to hold it just so hopefully you can see the texture on it. It'd be such a beautiful jacket. Easy care skirt, a sheath, just really, really pretty. Very nice. Kind of a mid-brown, like a little coffee brown. We have a viscose. This blends beautifully with it. 100% viscose. You can see great drape. Just beautiful fabric. Love the colors in there, the green, everything that's so strong and right in for right now. We have a corduroy, very thin wale corduroy. This is 100% cotton, has stretch, it's actually a stretch woven, has stretch in one direction. Isn't that pretty? Just, can you see a little outfit there? Jacket, top, pant, anyway. Very pretty. I love this fabric, probably one of my favorite. This is a jacquard, it's reversible. It's a cotton poly, but just pretty. Just pretty, great weight. Got a little copper going in there, brown, cream, then a little bit of copper. And yet the other side, you really could use both sides. Very pretty again. We have a wool acrylic. It's the sweater knit. I made a little top out of this, which I absolutely love. Both sides are usable, so it's great. I think I did 112 out of it. Casey's 5-way top, again, great top. And then we have also a wool acrylic. This is a beautiful triangular pattern. It's woven in, so both sides are usable. You can see a dark brown on one side and then lighter on the other, but just pretty, just so pretty. And again, this brown is just everywhere in the stores right now. So the goal is happy fashionable sewing from Silhouette Patterns.